In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Google Password Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Google section. Now make sure that the right Google account is enabled. Tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now tap on one of your added ones that you wish to edit, in my case Facebook one. Enter your current login method, and then select Edit next to Delete. Following that, make all changes you want and hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password from Passwords Manager was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!